So this was our conservatory. It was our family room. It was the biggest room in the house, but we've got to knock it down. We're going to do our own extension and loft conversion. We're Hayley and Chris. We're a family of 5 and we've bought a 2-bedroom cottage that sits on the edge of a woodland. This house was an absolute state. We've made it livable and now we want to make it bigger. So we've got planning permission. It's time to start. So work with the conservatory is going pretty slow, but as I explained before, I'm trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone and clean off the bricks and then use them as a temporary patio going round the back. That will become a base for a concrete slab and then new bricks will go on top of that. But that's years away. So moving out of the conservatory, blocking that off, obviously has made the house much smaller. We're probably at around 70 to 80 square meters, which isn't terrible, it's fine. But there's 5 of us and we had 3 kids in 1 bedroom. Obviously a lot of the kids' stuff was in the conservatory. We had dolls' houses, Bluebell's little ride-on toys, things like that. What we realised we needed to do was make shelving for Primrose and Kit, like a private area. So we had this idea that we'd pull the bed off of the wall and then make recessed shelving for each of them. And this is what we did. Well, the shelf for Kit, that was the shelf that went across the conservatory. Well, imagine I'm here and we're shooting for that goal and I've got a defender here, so I can't do anything, so just cross it to you go. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like the episode, hit like and subscribe. If not, as you were.